Hello good people, hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on to this video. In today's video we are also going to do quite a number of activities for the evening. We're going to do a shopping haul. We might cook dinner with you. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. So we got some grocery items. We got some potatoes, and the potatoes are so expensive. Gosh, a bucket is 1,000. I think the last time I bought a bucket it was 600, I guess, but it's been a while. So we're going to make some matoke at some point. So let me just put them back. But for now, we are going to cook the arrowroots and sweet potatoes, and we start by peeling them. The next thing we are going to do is a shopping haul, and for today we don't have supermarket shopping, so we only have market shopping. And the items we got some bell pepper. Of course, you know I love a variety. I love the three. Then we got some tomatoes. This bell pepper are so expensive. Hey, I used to buy them at 50, now they are 80. Then we have sorry, I was not showing what I had picked. So we have bell pepper. You know I love this, all the three. So they were 80 each. This is 20 shillings, Kenya shillings. They're so expensive right now. I used to buy them at 50. Then we have what are they called, lemon. Also we used to buy them at 5 shillings, now they are 10. And the tomatoes were 10 shillings each. Same case with this, was 20 shillings. Same case, yeah. So the onions were also 10 bob. I feel like they are too small for 10 bob, but anyway, we make do with them. So this is our onion rack. So we'll just organize them as we do the haul, so that once we are done with the haul, we will not have another job of arranging. I think I bought too much for the container, so I'll get some other container to put some of them. So I've changed them to this container. It's a bit bigger. So I will put the garlic and the lemon in this one, so that we also do away with them. For the tomatoes and the bell pepper, I'm going to clean them first before storing them. The next thing we have for our shopping is carrots and green peas. Hey, these green peas, they're also quite expensive. I buy the last time when they are at 100 shillings. After 100, maybe if I push it to 150. This time I bought them at 200, and I like this one because I feel like they are clean. I don't know. So they costed me 200. It's like a 2 kg container, and I like to remove for myself. Is it peeling or is it removing? And the carrot is 50 shillings. I felt like it's such a good deal because yesterday I bought carrots. I think they were like this four for 40 shillings. One was costing 10 bob. So this was a good rate. So let's also store them. So for carrots, this is where we pack. I'm sure if you have been following us for a while, you know. And I don't clean, I pack them. I feel like if I clean them and I don't get time to dry them, they are going to get spoiled. So I just store them like that, just like that. I will have to cook some, so it's okay even if they overflow. The other things we got are these raw bananas, and we are going to make some. I'm not sure what we are going to make. Then we got some potatoes. This was 200 Kenya shillings. That's the time I was told that for a bucket it's 1,000. I was shocked. The last time I bought a bucket it was 500. Then we got a cabbage. This was 100 Kenya shillings, and I felt like it's a lot, but well, I couldn't manage to go to the main market because I didn't need a lot of stuff, so it was not economical. The other things I got are of course fruits. We got some bananas. We got some mangoes. And we got this. My fruit vendor calls them white supporter. I don't know whether that's the real name. Able tell me in the comment section. They look like this. Let me just get one out. So that this is how they look like. What are they called? Comment down below. We got some oranges. Oranges are so expensive nowadays. I thought they were 5 shillings. Now I can see they were 20 shillings each. Then we got some apples. You know, fruits are my snacks, so that's why they don't miss. Then we have a pineapple, and we have more bananas, but these are also for eating, so they will ripen in due course. Yeah, and then finally we got a watermelon. Let me show you. We got half. It looks delicious. I hope it will be yummy. Anything else we got? Yes. Okay. No, that's all for the fruits. The next thing we're going to pack is the sausage. We have beef sausages from Farmer's Choice, and we have some beef. We have cooked a portion of this beef. I want to store the other portion. So most likely we will do twice of this. So I'll just pack in 2 sets. Yeah. So that and this. So we are done. The next thing are the sausages. I find myself putting them, laying down the paper because the cling film, because they tend to slide. So we just package them. And we usually pack them in this container as we put them in the freezer. So we are done with the packaging. So we just put them in the freezer. Sweet potatoes cooking. So I think the first thing is to check whether they are now cooked. I think we can see this is kind of overcooked, so I'm assuming sometime now in a subsequent video. Yeah, so we're just going to empty them in this container. Why I use this container is because this is food for a few days, so we'll just put it in the normal fridge and we'll just be packing if I'm carrying or just serving for when we're in the house. So we are done with that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. Remember to support the channel. You can like, comment, share, and of course subscribe if you haven't. And you can always buy our merch. Today I'm rocking Just World, but we also have Just Collection merch, which helps support our channel. Thank you so much and see you on our next one. Bye.